Kia ora everybody, Rita here. Look where I am. Right, now we've received a lot of questions lately and they have been answered by many people over the years in many different forums and even by us at some stage over the last, 18 years, but we'll try again. So there is this persistent rumor going around that only black edge harakeke is good for weaving, or the other one is only black edge harakeke is good for muka extraction, and that is wrong. Both of those statements. For example, so this one here, tapamangu, is a very good muka variety, as some of you already know. And yes, it has a black edge and a black margin. Right? You can still see that clearly. And yes, it is a good muka variety. It curls also well for pew-pew. Bit short, but and it also has the, this one in particular has the tendency to have a bit of a yellowing of the leaf. This is not yellow leaf disease. This is a natural thing for this particular variety. So don't panic. But if we go just around here, this one much taller, as you can see, Manaaki Whenua. No black edge to be seen. None. Yet it is a very good muka variety, both for kākahu and also pew-pew. And there's another one down here. Go down here. There we go, a little bit shorter again. Arawa is one of those that's very well known for that. See, it's got a nice lovely orange edge and keel. Also a very good muka variety. Now, if you restrict yourself to just looking for black edge harakeke for your muka extraction, you're basically discounting the other 50 or 60% of harakeke that you could be using. So do not do that. Don't think only black edge is good. Also, if you are harvesting for, let's say, kite, and we cover that in the next video, and you're making a kite for kairo, and you say, oh well, oh, this is a nice black edge, and you go to that tapamangu, right, for example, because you've been told only black edge is good for weaving, so I only harvest black edge and I use the tapamangu. Then you're taking away from a weaver who might need it for muka, not kite, and on top of it, you're making your life much harder than it needs to be. Because the muka content in the leaves, especially in those really good muka varieties, make it much harder to hapine. Why would you do that? Why make your life harder than it needs to be? Why not go for an actual kite variety instead? So there's that. And I hope that cleared the whole black edge is good for muka, etc. up. I hope. And there are always exceptions to the rule, by the way. Anyway, happy weaving, everybody.